Good morning, students, and today we will discuss the binary file. Uh, we know that there is in the case of text file, the uh, there are two mode of file. One is saved, the mode that is saved in the hard disk, that is in a binary format, that is in a machine level. Another is the format that is visible on the screen. So the text file are a little bit slow because there is a conversion. The readable format you see on the screen, non-readable format in the hard disk. But in the case of binary files, we see as it is, that is a machine level code, the data on the screen when we open the file. So in the case of binary file, these are fast file as compared with the text file. But remember one thing, for binary file, reading and writing both must be with the help of a program coding. Otherwise, it is very difficult to read the data because that is in a binary format. Now, for using binary format, we must include one module that is called pickle. So without pickle, we can't use the binary file of the feature. Now, in binary file, there are some modes. Look at here, in the case of your normal file, there is append mode, next is reading mode and writing mode. But in the there are some more modes like R plus and W plus. But in the case of a binary file, we will use the character B after these different mode. Look at here. For append mode, it will be AB. For reading mode, it will be RP. For writing mode, RWB. Then for reading and writing, RB plus. And for writing and reading, it is WB plus. So these are different mode. So look at here. Suppose I want to add some records. I want to create one file. Look at here. I'm copying the coding and implementing in your Python. Okay, students. In the coding, first I declare one dictionary, stu. It is a empty dictionary. I take one variable ans y. It means I can add multiple records while answer is y. It means if I press n or any other character, the loop will be terminated. I take rn, one variable, roll number. I enter the roll number from the user. Then I take name and I take the input from the name from the user. Then I take marks. I take the input of marks from the user. Then I add these element, these values in the dictionary. Here roll rn is a, here student rn means roll number will be added, then name will be added, then marks. So it is a dictionary. Then three elements in the dictionary. One is roll number, next is name, and then marks. And we add these in the file, this dictionary in the file. The code is pickle. Pickle is the name of the module. Then dump. Dump function will add element in the data in the file. So what we want to add, it is stu, name of the dictionary, and File is the file pointer. File name is data.dat and it is in append mode. AB. A means append, B means binary. I save this program in the desktop. Name of the file is add. Look at here. I run the module. Roll number 1. Then roll number, the name is maybe any name. Then marks. Pickle is not defined. There is one error. I'm going to check that error. Okay. We have not imported the pickle module. So import pickle. So I am going to run this program again. So roll number again 1. Name of the student is Gagan and marks is 78. So do you want to continue? I press Y. The roll number 2. Name of student and marks. Again, do you want to continue? I press Y. Roll number 3. Name and marks. And then I press N. Now, one file that is data.dat already created in the desktop because I saved the program in desktop. Look at here. I open that file in a notepad. Look at here. Data is in the shape of, it is a non-readable data. So this is called binary file. So if you have any doubt, raise your hands. Jaskaran. Diksha. Jaskaran, any doubt, beta?
No, sir. ठीक है, sir.
Diksha.
No, sir.
Coding is clear, Diksha?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now, in case I am going to read the I want to read the program. So now I am going to discuss. This is the program of writing the data in the file. Now I am going to read the data from the file. Okay, students, for reading the data from binary file, we know that the module is pickle. After that, I declare one dictionary, empty dictionary. Then I open the file in reading mode. RB. R means reading, B means binary. I will open the same file data.dat that is in the I have saved in the desktop. This is file is a file pointer. So there I am using try and except. It is a coding feature of your Python. If there is any error occur, in that case, except block will be implemented. If there is no any error, then the coding after try will be executed. In that, I am using while true. While true means if records are there, if it pick the records, it's okay. Then the while is true. If the file we go to the end of the file, it will return us false. Now look at here. Stu is the dictionary is equal to pickle dot load. So pickle load function will read the record from the file. Which file? Look at here. That is data.dat, and I display that data on the screen. It means one record on the screen, and one by one it will display all the records. And at the end, then the condition is false. Then the except portion will be implemented, and that file will be closed. So look at here, I am running the program. I'm saving this program in the desktop. Name of the function is the file is read. So look at here, there is a one error, no such file, or save as desktop. I'm saving this and running this. So look at here, roll number, name and marks. Now on this, I can also apply some searching work. Look at here. I'm saving this file again. Save as search. So here I can insert any condition. So look at here. I set one condition. I load the record, and after loading the record, I am using here one condition. If Stu here is RN. RN means roll number equal to 2. In that case, I will display the data. Otherwise, I am not going to display the data. I am running this program. Look at here. The roll number 2 record is here. So this is searching in the case of a binary file. So, Ekam, any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Gurbani?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. So this is even we can modify the data. There are so many things, but mainly the searching concept is in the exams mostly. So look at here in exam, in a sample paper. Okay, students. There are two questions. Question number 40. There is of it is of 5 marks. It means a binary file will be of 5 marks in your exam. Its weightage is 5 marks. There are two choice questions are there. One question is linked with the a binary file book.dat has structure, book number, book name, author and price. So this is a the fields. Now there are two things. Write a user-defined function create file to input data for a record and add to book.dat. Second function is count rec in Python, which accept the author name as a parameter and counting and return number of books by the given author. So look at here and look at here. I'm going to solve this question. Okay, students. They are saying the function name is create file, def, that is used for a user defined function. Create file. So in this, first of all, we will have to import pickle module. Now this function will add one element, add one record in the file. So before adding this, we know that for adding the data, we will have to declare one empty dictionary. So here is, I declare the dictionary, that is book is equal to curly bracket start, curly bracket close. They are saying to add a record. So we first of all we create one file pointer, and then we use open function to open the file, or if file is not there, file will be automatically created. I take here the name of the file is not given in the question. Look at here, name of the file is not given, book.dat. So book.dat. So this file is the mode will be AB, append mode. If you are not using AB mode, it will overwrite the data. After that, so different fields are there in the given in the question. One is book number. So I take here book number. Then there is we can get the input, or you can take it as a static value. Look at here. Book in square vector bracket, take book number, then suppose it is equal to 101. Then book, second field is book name. So book name is, suppose it is computer. Then there is name of the author. So book author, suppose it is Sumita. Then the price is equal to, suppose it is 300. After adding, we will the one record is here, that is book. So we now we will add this record in the file, that is pickle dot dump. For reading the file, load function is there. For writing the file, writing in the file, dump function is there. What we are going to write, that is book. In book there are total 4 values are there, and then After that, file. And when the writing verb will be there, we will close the file. That is file dot close. So first portion of the question is here. So any doubt in this, Divya?
No, sir.
Okay. Second portion of the question is write a function count REC, author in program in Python that accept the author name as parameter and count and return number of books by the given author. So look at here. Function name is count REC. Okay, students, for reading the data, we know that in the previous program we have already discussed, for reading the data, we will use the try catch loop and open. First we declare one dictionary, that is book, curly bracket start, curly bracket close, and then file pointer is equal to open. Okay, students, now file name is same, book dot dat, but remember one thing, the mode will be different because we are now reading the file, that is mode is RB, and after that I am using here try, then while true, then to here is book that is equal to pickle dot load. So load function will read one record from the file. Now we will match that record. So if the author is equal to the parameter which we have received, author. So in place of author, I am taking here, suppose it is a name. So if it is equal to name, which I have received as a parameter, if it is matched, in that case, I declared one variable in the beginning, that is count function, count is equal to 0. What I will do, if that record is matched, if author is matched, I will make one increment in the count. So after that, if it is accept EOF error, file will be closed, file dot close. Now what I will do, now I will return count. So I will return count. So remember one thing, when I will call this function, simply I will do count REC in bracket, I will give a suppose Sumita. So it will search all the records from the binary file and find out Sumita word as a name of author in different records and count it. So this is the program. So next is, Diksha, it is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, beta. Now the second, the choice question is from your question paper. A binary file student.dat has structure is admission number, name, and percentage. So these are the three fields. Write a function count rec in Python that will read the contents of the student.dat file and display the detail of those students where percentage is above 75. Also display the number of students. Also display number of students above 75. So look at here. I'm going to change the same. I'm going to change the same program. Look at here. I will customize this program. So look at here. Function name is given in the book is count rec. So count rec. They are not saying any parameter there. So there is no any parameter. I take count 0. Then name of the structure, because it is linked with student, I take the name of the dictionary is stu. And then I open the file name given here. File name is student.dat. Student.dat. That is given in the question paper, sample question paper. After that, we read the try. We use the try catch while true. Here is I take stu, then pickle.load, the same. Now for comparing percentage, they are saying there is a one percentage, one field that is percentage. So I take here, in place of book, I take stu percentage. So percentage is a numeric figure. So it must be greater than 75. They are saying two things: display the record and also count it. So for displaying the record, I will use here print, and in print I will display stu. Stu will display the complete record, the admission number, name, and percentage. After that, I make one increment in the count, and after, in place of returning it, I display one message: print number of students getting more than 75%. So I will display count variable. So look at here, count. So this is the answer of question number 40. So if you have any doubt, raise your hands, students. Harsimrat.